What go on, my people? Today I'm going to touch the topic of Badmine. Boy, they all over the place. As human beings and as females, the level of hate or bad mind that exists among us, it's appalling. I don't know what people get out of being bad mind, being bad mind against each other, one another, but it's just sad. And I realize that there's a volume in this bad mind thing. As soon as somebody start progress, it's like a shower of bad mind, but we all know that the haters makes us strive, So if you are out there right now and you're doing something and you sense hate, it's fine. There's a saying, so the higher the monkey climb, the more I'm exposed. So you just go and climb. But just beware of who around you. And as I said earlier, the level of bad man amongst female, why is it? Me I do my little thing. Me I don't know body. You understand me? And I get paid for what I do. It's just I do what I do and I love what I do. And people love it too. All I seek to do, is educate, motivate, all of those positive things, empower. And the reason why I continue to do it is because, if I could just screenshot all of the messages that I get in my inbox, then you would understand, why I continue to do what I do. Sometimes I put it on my fan page. Sometimes I put some, I can't do all because, I'm a working mother of 3. I mean, I have time, to put out everything. But it gives me some form of self-fulfillment, to know that whatever I say out of this big mouth, and this big head, that it's touching someone and it's touching a lot of people. My fan page, when I started out this year, because I started in 2015, when I started out this year, I had like 2,000 something followers. Now I'm almost at 7,000 followers. That says something. Says if all I drunk or we go come and eat my post, them and I come bitch me and style me on something. Michelle, so when them want to go low for go high, but sometimes people have to go down and dip down low underneath someone if we couldn't know so we can come down low to make a big jump and jump up and left on down there. You understand me? Don't go come disrespect me under my page. And it's fine. It's fine, but just not feel like you say if me not in the mood when I see your disrespect, baby, or you see whoever send you, tell him say I road back here, road up in a car. Someone who know I'm gonna comment on the note if I have no picture. You understand? When me don't know, someone go deactivate on the Facebook page. Not to say I'm a bully. You understand me? Zuckerberg give everybody a legal chance if I create a Facebook page. So if I create a page and I'm doing what I'm doing, why your problem? Go create faith on a good guy, good girl and good boy. No come now, come don't look out, man. Come say something. Leave me alone with my big boat. Me do. Me have a purpose. I'm serving a purpose. I'm fine with what I'm doing. Woe be unto the master will lead the sheep astray. Me not lead nobody astray because people love what me do. Me not get paid feet. I wish I was. And maybe, who knows, maybe get there and then kind of someone got dead. And as I said earlier, and someone don't need to go and go look on a burial spot. I want cemetery and go and customize on a casket because I dead not go dead. Cause me, it's a big mouth girl and I got nowhere. Everything people do is just a problem too, no. So Miss Kitty there, she do her thing. She favor pig. Yannick, say she favor one of them long time lamp there or whatever. How do you have the money that she have? Uno go do the same thing too. If you have the opportunity to Miss Kitty to have, uno do the same thing too. If not for uno did educated enough and polite enough to put enough face in front of a dirty phone and do me do, uno that do it, but uno can't do it. You understand me? Some of uno are got dead. And just because you can't do like what people are doing, it's just all hate. And it's surprising, And only the woman them alone call man me say hate for. Ain't for. What am I doing? What am I doing? What I'm doing? How that affect you? How it affect you? Go record too. Go and record. Obviously, me do some of the people I'm love. Me not gonna take me off track, but me just stop looking for address because me see attention and I look. And I realize that the bad man is just out there and it is real and it's just among us women. But don't listen to me now. You know, go and do not make nobody take on an half track. You understand me? Because someone of us wannabes, you can't be up on me. As much as I have nothing in life, no fun, can't do what me do and do what me do. So no go and eat and I say, whoever send on the telling someone up in a roadblock. You understand me? Not for only way I talk about my mouth big and people. There's some people, someone ugly and favor some long time man in a book. Someone don't look good. It don't look good. And for me, it's not about this. Because this fades, as I oftentimes say. You understand me? It's what's in here and how you can deliver it. And whatever I deliver, you understand, it's not my fault how you accept it and how it's communicated to you. You understand me? Me I just the reader. Me can't and the talker. Me can't me your how you understand things don't affect me. You understand me? And as me say, if me can talk and 1 out of 10 somebody understand, I'm fine and I'm good with that. Keep on hating cause CC, big mouth CC, and I know where I go. Have a good day, fans.